Today, the United States Supreme Court issued a landmark ruling in a 6-3 decision, holding that President Donald Trump lacked legal authority to impose sweeping global tariffs under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, a law dating to 1977, 5 years after I was born. The court found that the law does not explicitly grant the President the authority to lay tariffs, a power reserved for Congress. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote for the majority, emphasizing that tariffs are essential taxes on imports, and Article 1 of the Constitution assigns that power exclusively to Congress. The majority explained that while IEEPA allows the President to regulate certain economic activities during declared national emergencies, it does not authorize blanket tariff power. The court applied major questions doctrine, which requires clear congressional authorization before the executive can exercise broad economic shaping powers. That's a bunch of legalese for them telling him no. In their ruling, conservative and liberal justices alike agreed that IEEPA's language does not mention tariffs or duties, and thus cannot justify sweeping measures aimed at reshaping global trade. The administration had argued that the law's general authority to regulate improper importation includes tariff powers, but the court rejected that interpretation. Oh, cool. Dissenting justices warned that this decision could hamper the government's ability to respond to ongoing economic threats, but that majority stressed that economic policy must come from Congress when it involves taxation and trade policy. Well, economic threats is the guy that's laying in tariffs and currently destroying our economy. The ruling could have major economic consequences. Many of the tariffs targeted goods from major trading partners, including China, Canada, Mexico, and the European Union, and generated tens of billions of dollars in revenue. With the tariffs struck down, companies that paid those duties may seek refunds, which could become a complex legal and administrative process. Well, yeah, I, as the American taxpayer, have to pay all of those taxes that were illegally imposed. Yes, I want my money back. Small businesses and trades groups welcomed the ruling, arguing that the tariffs raised costs, which consumers, they do, and disrupted supply chains, and it does. But some economics warn of short-term market instability as global partners adjust to trade trade negotiations continues. Meanwhile, lawmakers in both parties are now under pressure to act. Many Republicans have historically supported stronger trade protections, while Democrats have emphasized workers' protections and fair trade enforcement. With this ruling, any further broad tariff measures will require clear congressional legislation. The Supreme Court ruling also marks a significant check on executive power, reaffirming the constitutional balance between branches of government. It comes at a time when debates over political authority and national emergencies and economic policy are intensifying. Frankly, I just want someone that respects the vote. I just want whoever is the next president, I just want them to respect the vote and respect the people. And with that, Scott for 2028.